Hey guys, so this is a quick video on this app called Jamboard, one of the Google apps. So I went ahead and I went to the Google store and I looked for Jamboard and I'm going to show it to you. So Jamboard works perfectly when you are creating lessons for Google Meet. So all you have to do is one, click this plus sign. Once you click the plus sign, you automatically create a new board. But that's not the exciting part. This board has so many features. So with this Jamboard, you can go ahead and create a text box. With this text box, you can put whatever it is that you want to write. So you can go ahead and put in the text box that, I want to write this. This is just a demo lesson. You can put in the text box that the students will use Jamboard to solve their math problems. And this right there is automatically your teacher task or your student task. You can go ahead and reposition it anywhere you want. You can edit it, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, you can put it in the back, you can do whatever you want with this. So you can move it, you can straighten it, and this is, one way we could start our board. We can also change the text color. We can turn our text red, so we can go ahead and click on our text. We can turn it red. We can change it for it to be huge. We can make it small. But another feature that stood out to me was this background feature here. Did you know that in Jamboard, let me erase this. Did you know that in Jamboard, when you click on the background dots, depending on what you're doing, you could be doing shapes and you want them to see the connections. You have lines like a notebook. Isn't this clear? You have graph. Oh, yes. You have dark graph. You can go ahead and change your background to different colors. You can do pretty much whatever you like. But for me, this line, this was I love this. I like this because you're able to write in your lines, which is an amazing thing. Another thing that I like about Jamboard is you can do just about anything. So I'm going to create my circle because, I want to teach clock or, anything of that sort. I want to do some fractions. There's so many things you can do with this board. Another thing you can do is you can go and you can add some images. So whether your images will be from your desktop, whether it's going to be from your Google Drive, whether you're going to go to Google Images and choose summary, let me find summary anchor chart. Because you want your lesson to stand out. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to search for summary anchor chart. And guys, when you put the word anchor chart in front of what you're looking for, you do get some awesome anchor charts. So you go ahead and let's say I want to select this one. So I'm going to bring this one in. And just like that, I'm going to make it bigger. So I want to put it right here. So this is just a small thing that Jamboard does. Another thing you can do, you can click here and you can put sticky notes. So what if your students wanted to write something? You wanted to give each child a task to do. You can go ahead and you can put task 1 for that student. You can go task 2 for this new student. You can also go task 3 for this student. And there's so many things that you can do with this. So once you're done, you can rearrange your task at any given point in time that you need. You can also go ahead and select your tool, resize them, reshape them. You can go ahead and erase something. So if you were using your pencil function, hello, pencil function, you can go ahead over here. You can change it to a marker. You can go here. You can change it the color. You can go here, you can turn it into a paintbrush. There's so much that you can do with Jamboard. You can come in and then you can also erase. So after all this is done, what else can you do? You can go open Jamboard. Once you've opened your Jamboard, the next thing you can do is, let me show it to you. Search for a new board, invite a new board in, and that's just a small thing for what Jamboard can do. Click on these three dots here for more actions. You can rename your Jamboard. So, demo, save it. Click on your three dots here. You can download it as PDF. You can make a copy of it. You can remove it. You can save it as an image. There are just so many things you can do with your Jamboard. So, with that said, if there's anything else you guys need to learn about Jamboard, feel free to let me know. Until next time, bye guys.